Okay, so today I will be describing fourths. So to do fourths, you're going to need two endpoints, and for this example, my endpoints are going to be 3 and 3 and -3 and -3. Um, the first thing you want to do to find fourths is find the midpoint, which is the middle spot between these two endpoints. And so right here is the formula for finding the midpoint, and you would want to use that. And in this case, the midpoint would be 0 and 0. And then we'd, for our second step, go to calculating our first fourth. Calculating the first fourth is just calculating the midpoint between 0 and 0, our original midpoint, and our first endpoint, 3 and 3. And that formula would be right down here. And that would give us the first fourth of 1.5 and 1.5. And to calculate the second fourth, you want to calculate the midpoint of the second endpoint and the midpoint using this formula. And your second fourth would be -1.5 and -1.5. And over here, it shows the midpoints, your first and second fourth, and both endpoints. So now I have 4 equal segments between my two endpoints, and they are all congruent. Thank you.